Welcome to Microsoft Dynamics VIP channel. This is David An, Microsoft Dynamics 365 architect and solution expert. This is my profile with Microsoft. This channel focuses on Dynamics 365 ecosystem, helping members to understand and learn Dynamics CRM, including sales, customer service, marketing, field services, development of JavaScript, workflow and plugin, Power Platform, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, business insights, SharePoint, system integration, common data model, common data services, and more. The goal is to help members receiving job offers of intermediate to senior level Dynamics 365 positions, such as BA, BSA, consultant, senior consultant, specialist, architect, and high income. I can be reached by WeChat, Dynamics VIP, or email dynamicsvip@gmail.com. Phone 1-650-336-1215. Please subscribe, like, and forward.